A consignment of the world's largest and heaviest HVDC transformers is approaching its destination in Brazil. These low-loss, highly energy-efficient transformers offer not only operational savings but also spare the environment. This delivery marks yet another milestone for ABB.
Transformers are the most important part of the HVDC project. We work very closely with the manufacturer, keeping track of the testing in Ludvika and Guarulhos. As clients, we gain peace of mind from this approach, overseeing procedure, and above all, the manufacturer's special concern for us.
The maturity in the technology and the engineering and designs is quite impressive at Ludvika. And it's something that is rapidly disappearing from the world.
As a leading company in the energy industry and an excellent cooperating partner of SGCC, ABB has helped us improve our performance and reduce the impact to the environment. During the cooperation process, we also built up friendships with ABB co-workers.
ABB is a world leader in its field, with a presence in over 100 countries around the world. It manufactures large power transformers in 7 countries. ABB Power Transformers in Ludvika holds numerous world's firsts and other world records. As far back as in 1893, the factory energized the world's first 3-phase transmission line in Hellschön. In the expansive 1950s, transformers were delivered to the world's first 400 kV transmission system. This voltage level was to become standard in Europe and other parts of the world. In the early 1930s, Uno Lam, the father of HVDC, started his epoch-changing development work that was to lead to the world's first HVDC transmission solution. 1954 saw the commissioning of the first commercial HVDC transmission system in the world. In the 1970s, American Electric Power in the United States took delivery of a 1,765 kV AC transformer for their test line. This voltage level remains to this day the highest that's ever been in operation. In the 2000s, ABB were first in the world with their HVDC light technique for connecting renewable energy. They were also first to deliver an 800 kV HVDC transformer, as well as the world's largest variable shunt reactor that was delivered to Statnett in Norway.
Transformers and reactors should have a long working life, around 60 years perhaps. This calls for reliable technical solutions and well-proven designs, which ABB does have. Being situated in far northerly climes, weather conditions in Norway, particularly in winter, can be extremely demanding. The high-voltage units must be designed to withstand heavy snowfall, low temperatures and strong winds. It is vital that all the equipment and components are dimensioned to withstand these kinds of stresses and strains. My impression after having visited Ludvika is that they are making continuous changes, technical improvements for the future. They are improving the technology, they have a modern factory and production systems, and keep a continuous eye on efficiency.
ABB development teams consisting of experienced engineers are responsible for the research and development of large power transformers, HVDC transformers, and shunt reactor technology. Each design is based on the customer's unique specifications and optimized for the highest possible technical and economical performance for an energy-efficient transformer with low losses and low life cycle cost. This solid engineering tradition and a history of technology firsts ensure high-tech solutions for the future.
As we looked around the world for manufacturers with knowledge and experience, we recognized ABB in Ludvika as one of the world leaders.
The manufacturing processes calls for the highest standards of cleanliness and precision. Developing high-tech solutions is a continuous process within the ABB Group. in-house production of key components enables total control of product quality. For critical production processes, specially trained personnel are used. These welding and brazing operators, for example, are certified according to the welding quality standards. The environment, worker safety and quality of the work carried out are top priority for ABB, with international norms and standards strictly adhered to. Every step of the manufacturing process is carefully controlled and documented by authorized personnel. This ensures that the highest quality is maintained. The units are tested in separate test halls in accordance with international norms and standards. All units undergo a routine test to verify the technical solution and the manufacturing quality. Units delivered to seismic regions are subject to special shake table tests and/or static and dynamic seismic calculations. The first unit of each delivery is type tested to verify the electrical design solution and the special features requested by the customer. Customer representatives are often on hand to monitor the tests. During shipment, the units are hauled by trucks or carried on ABB's specially designed rail cars with a 36-axle rail car used for the largest units that weigh up to 500 tons. An ABB site engineer is in charge of the assembly work carried out by either ABB personnel or the customer's own personnel. The work's carried out in an orderly manner and documented in order to ensure that the unit is in perfect condition when commissioned. The customer is always at the center of ABB's attention. Serving many customers across the world has instilled in the group a deep understanding of varying customer requirements.
I'm now standing at the gate of the ±800 kV UHVDC Fengshan converter station. Our collaboration with ABB is long-standing and cordial. We worked jointly with ABB 10 years ago on the first DC transmission line from Sanjie, the Three Gorges, Changzhou project, a major undertaking where we utilized ABB's technology and products. We also utilized their products on the following DC transmission lines: Three Gorges, Guangdong project, and the Three Gorges, Shanghai project. We had the opportunity to again collaborate with ABB during the ±800 kV DC Changshiba Shanghai project, when we also used their products.
ABB delivers high-efficiency power transformers and shunt reactors to satisfied customers around the globe.
Experience is the manufacturer's biggest asset, in my opinion. That's key for me. It's important for clients to know that they're dealing with someone with exposure to a number of issues. When you face a new problem, you'll know that they've already encountered the same or similar issue. This provides us at the Electrobras Group with a certain peace of mind, knowing that we're at the forefront of this HVDC technology here in Brazil.
Que estamos na vanguarda do uso dessa tecnologia HVDC aqui no Brasil.